ng message niya, guys, for the entire Rolarian community. So once again, let's welcome Sir Khaled for his short speech.
Hello everyone. Could you see me guys? Could you see me on the screen? Ayan, could you hear me? So please press 1 if you could hear me. All right. Nice, nice, nice. So thank you so much again, once again, family and friends and the whole community, Rolarian community, for being here. And we welcome you to our wonderful Christmas event. So we're here because we know that we are looking forward for the amazing prizes. On behalf of the entire team, I am deeply honored and grateful to be here with you because not just to speak about a platform, but to speak about a moment, a community, and a shared journey. I just want to give you guys a little bit of story or background of Rolarian. So we began on the August 2022 when the project was publicly announced, not with noise, but with vision. In April 2023, we took our first major step forward as a company. The Rolla.aa platform officially launched, transforming ideas into real utility, real users, and real value. Then on July 29, 2023, we proudly held our launch event in Manila, making our official physical debut in the country. That moment was special because it was not just an expansion, it was a commitment to the Filipino people. Our journey in the Philippines since 2023, when Rolarian officially arrived here in the Philippines, we have continued to grow. We face the bear market, we face uncertainty, we face moment when would have been easier to stop. But we didn't leave. We didn't left you guys. We didn't disappear. We stayed and we grew stronger. We continued our mission because we believe that true value is built during the hardest time. Now, 2025, staying faithful to our people, we move into the next phase of our journey. We remain faithful to our Filipino users. We focus on creating real opportunities, offering fair rewards, building a platform that people can grow with and also learn. And because of that, we shared trust, we grew massively together. Now, looking forward for our 2026, I can confidently say this will be our best year. We will continuously improve our platform to deliver high quality, best performance, more meaningful experiences. You will see new features, new partnerships, and a new environment that is more inclusive, more rewarding, and more aspiring. Everything we build is for our one purpose, to serve our faithful community and empower every Rolarian. Our core belief from the very beginning, we made one promise: we will never stop. Because Rolla is not built by one person, it is built by all of us. We rise together, we grow together, we succeed together. To every person listening today, thank you for believing. Thank you for staying. Thank you for building this future with us. May this season bring warmth to your families, hope to your dreams, and strength to your journey. A joyful Merry Christmas and prosperous Happy New Year to everyone. Welcome to Rolarian and hope to see you guys again for more exciting events. Merry Christmas, guys, and Happy New Year.
Yun,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Thank you so much, Coach. Yun. Guys, mas dinig na, no? Grabe yung ano, no? Yung mensahe.
Indeed,
Yan.
very warm message, and you
Loud
can
and
see
clear
how
naman, di
much,
ba?
clear na po,
Ayun.
you know,
Let's go.
ano, it really shows talaga how much Rolla cares for the community. And honestly, sino bang na-excite for 2026 dito? 'Di ba? Na-excite ba kayong lahat sa 2026? It already sounds exciting with Rolla community.
Siyempre, di ba? Sino bang hindi? Di ba? At lalo pa ngayon, kasi syempre guys, ito na ang inaantay ng lahat. So, ibig sabihin, this is what? The finale. Ito na yung inaantay talaga natin. So, we'll be having some draws. Ilan ba yung mananalo